Kubor nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
MLA ke NPP na Rongara-Siju urakam sangma ulaong baka Bamsap kamdan ha ke Dikshoneri Jong. Bat ki pat ba akila ban pliet ikikot kisla Jong ladai ki kwa bantip ya ka jingshisha habayadai bat ka jingkenok persya yau. Urakam ula kren ya kani habakinong thok kubor ki kali halor ka jingkenok dangshen ba uladon keti ban pha thongkam ya ki briau da ka ba pha iki kerteng jongki Shaka District Selection Committee ha South Garo Hills District lengba ka kot shithi ka badan ya ka kerteng Jong. Kani ka kot thok shithi kala sapriang ha social media ha ka bala keno baki don ki briau ki ba pau kerteng ha ka shithi Jong. Nakabanta ban pha thongkam kum ki forest guard lower divisional assistant plumber bat laboratory assistant. Uni MLA ke NPP ula kentat ya ka jingkeno bat ula ong baya ka kot thok shithi Jong ladon ki ba pendan kambakla deki katu kat ni ki batmu ban penjak buram yau. Ula ong ba shemla pha ya ki kerteng kumbla pau ha social media. Namar ha ka shithi shemla don satya wat ka jingsoy Jong bat ka muhor.
Look, that was the old one. So some guys, the one who have circulated all this has been in the media and in social media have been apologized by themselves. Even also in the Facebook itself, number one. So that was fake. Some guys might have got my page, just type it, the candidate. So the DSC 2021 was conducted in the December. It was out. So all those guys, all those candidates was not in the list also. Neither did it apply, nor their names was in the result. So all those candidates who were in that bed was already in service 5 years back. So some small guys might have just tried to play politics, saying we will play politics of December, something like that. No? So, frankly speaking, the corruption is not in my dictionary. My books is open book, so anybody can open my books, my lifestyle. You can open it and see. So corruption will never happen in my life, and I'm strongly against the corruption. And to me, frankly, I will never do of this kind of corruption in my life. Okay, so I think that was fake, and I have never done, and I will never do of this kind of things. So that was totally fake. It may be because we as MLA, I always used to keep my paid and official letter in my tables. Guys used to come and sometimes without my presence also they used to check my office sometime. So might be some guys with some kind of intention might be got my pay and might have tried to place up this kind of things. So that cannot be ruled out. That cannot be ruled out. But that is a small things. Take